Stop.
Lovely. Remember that card for me?
Yep.
Perfect. Now we're going to find that card, but I'm not going to do it. We're going to use this guy. This is actually a superhero. It's hard to see, but if you look, you'll see there's like the little swords that might give away to who it is. Look, if I give it a little shake like this, you'll see it looks like Wolverine with the claws. Yeah, but if you take it and we give it another shake, look, it rips back the corner, finds one card, your card, the 4 diamonds, hopefully. But if we shake back, we have to keep his identity a secret because this never happens.
This is super easy to do and great for all ages. This is Hero Reveals Volume 1.